What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online as a kid or a teenager, and this is a new method. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up to 500 followers. I only have like maybe 290, 295. So I'm trying to get up to 500 followers. And once I get there, I'm going to do a giveaway. So all you have to do is go to @AppGrind, follow me, and DM me. The grind is real. That's all you have to do. And once I get to 500 followers, somebody's going to get a free giveaway that I'm going to give away once I reach 500 followers. Okay, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you need to take, and I don't want you to miss out. So without further ado, let me hop over to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of the website is videohive.net. Now, you're probably wondering what you're going to be doing here. So what you're going to be doing is selling stock footages. And let me show you what you're going to be selling stock footages of, well, in video effects. Time lapses. So let me go ahead and type in time lapse. And there you go. It's going to take you to time lapse videos where people are selling these videos. As you can see right here, this person right here is selling for $49. Clouds time lapse. Now, these are very, very popular. If you can see in people videos, mostly vloggers, they show like a time lapse of the sun coming up and the sun going down. And they come here to get those type of videos with the time lapse in it for the clouds. So they can put that in their video, show that a day went by, or it went from midday to nighttime. So let me just show you an example of one. So this is the clouds moving. So it's going from 1 hour to the next, or from one whole day going by, or just some clouds just moving for a few minutes. And so again, they're selling this for $49. And here's another one. They're selling this for $49. Here's one with the clouds and also with boats in the ocean or lake. And here's one right here with clouds in the air and the traffic light changing and showing some buildings in the background. And they're charging $52. So, like I say, with this refinery time lapse, it's $92. So, guys, you can make some good money with this. And all you have to do is have a smartphone with time lapse on it or hyperlapse. Or if you have a camera that has that on there, just go outside and film the clouds moving. So when you have some clouds in the air, go outside and film that, guys. And then put the video together with time lapse and come over here, upload it to this site, charge the ongoing rate, which is $49, $50. You can go ahead and charge a little bit less because you're getting 100% profit. So you can maybe charge $40 and you're getting more sales than these people. So guys, you can make some good money doing this. So I have another website I want to show you that you can sell your time lapses on there too. So let me go ahead and go to that second website. Okay, I'm at the next site, and the name of this site is Shutterstock. I've talked about this site before where you can get free images. So on here, you can also put them on here too. So you can put time lapses on here. I went ahead and put in time lapse video images. So you can put them on here and make some other money. How it works on here, since it's going to be copyrighted, when people come on here and sell it, you're going to get a percentage of the sale. So that's how it works on Shutterstock. Now it's a little bit difficult to get on here because they're real strict about the images and the videos that they put on here. It can't just be any old video, any old image on here. It has to be real crystal clear. And so if you know how to do some good filming and with a good camera or good clear image, you can come over here and sell your stock footages on here and make some pretty good money. All right, guys, that's it. That's the two websites you can go to and sell your time-lapse videos. So just go to shutterstock.com or go to videohive.net. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And don't forget to type the code word that popped up somewhere in this video so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers, which will be at the end of this month. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for your support. One more thing before I go, please subscribe to my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. And check out my podcast, which is called the Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. Links will be in the description below. Okay, guys, I'm finished with this video for today. Please keep tuning in, and I'm going to keep dropping new content. Thanks, and get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a blessed day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.